Here is my new tube bumper that was built just last week. I now have a lot more clearance here compared to the ARB that I had. There was nothing wrong with the ARB. It was just too bulky and kept hitting a lot of things. You can see I have the winch tucked much further back now compared to how it was with the ARB. The tubing is a mixture of 188 and 120 wall. Primarily it is 188 wall where the bends are not too big. It is just the top tube here and the little tube there and this one here, which are the 120. I have tucked some little lights in here connected to the radiator support. All of the wires are neatly zip tied to the bumper, so nothing is hanging down or in the way. Another nice touch is the large lights at top have been Frenched into the top of the bumper so they do not protrude past the front of the bumper. A very nice touch. Finally, it has been welded to the frame horn. Has not been painted there yet because we welded it after it was powder coated. Finally, you can see the new frame stiffener that was added. Piece of 3/8 steel which heads back behind the body mount all the way up to the frame horn and then nearly back to the shock tower.